Welcome to Just Puzzling. My name is Chris. Hope you're having a wonderful day and Happy New Year. Thanks for joining me for this Killer Sudoku that I do at the expert level on my iPad. I'll go through the rules of Sudoku, what the cages mean to Killer Sudoku, and then tell you a little secret or a little clue that helps me solve the puzzle, and then we'll get into it. Alright, for Sudoku there are 9 columns, 9 rows and 9 boxes. In each of the rows, column, boxes, there needs to be the unique numbers 1 through 9. It's really about finding the intersection point. Then there's the cages. So these cages are the dotted lines around boxes with a number in the top left hand corner. So this one here has to have 2 numbers which are unique, so it can't be 2 and 2, that add up to 4. And that's pretty much the puzzle. Now you can see here that these puzzles start with no numbers in them, so that makes them a little bit interesting. Now the one thing I will tell you that I use to help me is 1 through 9 added together is 45. And I'm going to start with this one to show you. So this box here has a full cage, a full cage, a full cage, and then a cage that leaks over by 1. So what will happen is if I add up this 4 plus 17 is 21, plus 10 is 31. To get to 45, which is the 1 through 9 added together, I need 14. So that's going to be 14. 14 less from 16 equals 2. Now we can do this again for this one. So 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 11 is 20, plus 20 is 40. How far is that short of 45? 5. So we got that there. Alright, so that's why I like that there, because it sort of helps me find some of my starting positions. It's interesting that these 3 boxes here have full cages, so a little bit more difficult. 24 plus 15 is 39, so these two are going to add up to 6 to get to 45. So it won't be 1 and 5, but the rest will be, actually, because it's 6, this is going, it can be 1 and 5 by the way, because I thought that was a 2. 1 and 5, so because this is 6, it can't be 2 and 4, so this is going to be 1 and 5. I just don't know which. So if that's a 1, that's an 8. If that's a 5, that's a 4. So let's have a look. 15, 20 minus 5 is 15, plus 16 is 31. Yep, 38. So that leaves me 7. So if that was 1, that'd have to be more than 7. So this is going to be a 5. This will be a 1. This will be a 4. And I think if I've done this correctly, it's a 3. But I'm going to add up again. 15, 31, 38, 42, 3 to get to 45, and then 4 to get to 7. Okay, there you go. So because this is an 11, this can't be 2 and 9, so 9 is going to be in here somewhere. 3, 4, I need a 5 across here somewhere. 1, 3, 1, 3. Because this is a 1, 3, this is going to be a 2, 4 here. So 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 7. So this is going to be 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, which means this is going to be 2, 7, which means 1's going to be one of these two, which can't be there, so that's a 1. Then these are 15, so this is going to be a 2 and 5. Because of the 5 there, this is going to be a 5, leaving this to be a 2. Okay. 1, 3, 1, 1, so 10. So this 11 minus 1 is 10, so that's 10, 26, 37, so this is going to be 8. So this can either be 3 and 5, which it can't be, or 1 and 7. This will be a 3. Because of this is a 4 again, 3 can't be there, so this will be a 1, leaving this to be a 3. 1 is going to be up here, or it can't be in the 15, can't be here, so 1 is there, and that's 8, so that leaves me with 13 to go. So it's either going to be 8 and 5 or 9 and 4. Can't be 9 and 4, so it's going to be 8 and 5. 5 can't be there, so this is going to be a 5, leaving this to be the 8. So this 15 is going to be 9 and 6. Because of the 9 in here, this will be the 6, leaving this to be the 9. 9 comes up here, 9 comes up here, so that's a 9 there, leaving this to be a 6, and this will be 8 and 7. 2, 4, 6, 7, so 7 can't be there, so this is a 7 here, leaving this to be a 2. 1 can't be here, so this is a 1, leaving this to be a 3. 1, 3, 7, so this can be 2 and 8, or 6 and 4. 9 and 5, 3, 3, 3. So this is 9 and 6 here, because of the 7. 10 can't be 1 and 9, can't be 4 or 6, so this could be 2 and 8, or 3 and 7, but 3 and 7 can't be there, so this is 2 and 8. Which means that this being 14, 16 minus 2 is 14, 8, 6 and 9 means that that has to be a 5, leaving this to be a 9. So 7's going to be here or here because it can't be there, 7 can't be there, 7 can't be there, so it's a 7 there. And this is going to either be 2 and 8, which it can't be, so that's 2 and 8, so this is 6 and 4. 1 comes across here, 1 comes across here, 1 can't be 1 and 10, so that's a 1 there, leaving this to be a 6. 6 comes down here, so they can't be there. 6 can't be there because they'd be 6 and 5, so 6 is one of those two. Oh, this is 8 and 2. 1, 2, 3, so this is a 3 here. So 8 and 2, 7 and 6, this is 9 and 4. 9 can't be there, so this is a 9 here, leaving this to be a 4. Alright. So 4 can't be there, so 4 can be there with 9 and 7, that works. The other one's 3, so 3 can't be here, 3 can't be here, so that's a 3 there. This means this is 8 and 9. I need an 8 there, so that's got to be an 8 here, leaving this to be a 7. So 7 and 4 are there. 8 and 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 5 are here, 5 can't be there, so that's a 5 there, leaving this to be a 6. 6 is going to be here, now that's 9 and 6, so that makes sense. 9 has to be one of these, well 9 can't be there, 9 can't be there, and 9 can't be there, so that's a 9 there. So this is 15, this has got to add up to 9 to get to 24. 6 and 5, 2 and 8, 3, sorry, 6 and 5, 2 and 9 don't work. I'm going to say 9, don't listen to me. 1 and 8 don't work, 5 and 4 don't work, 6 and 3 don't work, so this is 2 and 7, 2 can't be there, so this is a 2, leaving this to be a 7. 7 comes across here, 7 comes across here, so it's a 7 there, leaving this to be a 4. 4 comes across here, so this is a 4 here. Alright, so 4 is going to be one of these two, because this can't be a 5 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 8 is there, so 3 and 8 there, 8 and 2 there, so 8 is going to be one of these. 8, 1, so 1's going to be there. This is actually 2 and 6, because 3 and 1 have taken that to 2 and 6, but I don't know where that's going to be. It's funny, this is 8 and 2, because it can't be that, and 2 can't be there, so this is a 2, leaving this to be an 8. 6 can't be there, so this is a 6, leaving this to be the 4. Remember, 6 and 2 has to be here, 6 can't be there, so this is a 6, leaving this to be the 2. Still got 9 and 8 there, so 1, 2, 3. 3 can be there, 4. 4 can be there, 4 can't be there, so 4 is here. 5, 6, 7. So 7 and 4 can't be there. So this is 4 and 7. which that leaves that as a 5. This is going to be the 3, leaving this to be the 8. 8 comes up here, so this is an 8 here, leaving this to be the 9. And this is 9 and 1, and 4 and 7. Okay, so 9 and 7 there means 9's going to be up here because can't be there. 9's there, so it can't be there, and 9 can't be there or there, so that's a 9, leaving this to be a 6, which makes sense because the 6 was there. 6 comes across here, 6 comes across here, can't be there, so that's a 6 there. 7, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3 and 6 are out, 8 and 1 are out, so this can either be 2 and 7, which works, or 4 and 5, which doesn't work. So this is 2 and 7. 7 can't be there, so that's a 7, leaving this to be a 2. Now remember I told you this was 2 and 4. 2 can't be here, so this is a 2, leaving this to be a 4. Alright. 4 comes across here. 4 comes down here. 8 and 2. 2 can't be here, so this is a 2, leaving this to be an 8. 8 can't be here, so this is going to be an 8 here. 8 and that's 12, so that equals a 3, so 3 is going to be there. 3 is going to be here. 1, 2, 3. So 3 can't be here, so this is a 3 here. The other number's a 4. Okay, 4 can't be here, so this is a 4 here, leaving this to be a 7. 7 can't be here, so this is a 7, leaving this to be a 9. 9 can't be here, so this is a 9, leaving this to be a 1. 1 comes across here, 1 comes across here, so that's a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5's there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 11, so that's got to be an 8 there. And if I actually press the 8 button, that would be handy. Alright, so we did that in 12 minutes. Pretty happy with that. Thank you for your time. Once again, Happy New Year, and until next time, bye for now.